Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
एक्सपर्ट समितीच्यो सुचोवण्यो सरकारा मेरेन पावल्यात. ते फाटभुंयेर फुडल्या 1 ते 2 दिसांनी नवे SOP जाहीर करतले म्हूण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला. सरकार खंय तिसरे ल्हार हाताळूंक सक्षम. ताणें गोवा डेंटल कॉलेजीच्या दुसऱ्या पांवड्याच्या कामाचें उक्तावण केलें. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत येवपाचो तो मात दिसलो ना.
So we were given an explanation and also told exactly what are the steps you need to take. So if anybody feels among the doctors who are actually dealing with the situation that if the government is not taking any steps, it is actually a myth because government has already planned exactly stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, at what stage we will be, where are the facilities, everything has been already in black and white, we have already put it down. Experts have already given us a view how we should go about and what we need to do. And I'm sure in the next day or two, as the positive rate that day, because the testing had to be increased, so now what we have decided is to keep the testing, at a particular level, so that they jump. Sometimes you find in the positivity rate, it went up to 26 because that time the results were not out because there was a load on the testing facility. Then suddenly it dropped to 13%, but 13% also is a bit high. But same time, we are ensuring that testing is increased, everything that is to be done. New wave coming forward. I mean, all of us, just now I got a call saying that what are the steps that we need to take. But then the infectivity rate also is so high. As a result of which we need to see that we take precautions. Again, we have come back to the phase where we are all supposed to be wearing masks, all maintain social distancing and several other things, vaccination, booster vaccination for the children, also students of the age group of 15 to 18 has also started. And all these things we are doing and taking precautions.
इतले मजगती केंद्र सरकारान कोविडाचेर नवे दिशा निर्देश जाहीर केले.